本日も JR 東日本をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。12番線に
終電箱2番線に到着です。この中央線下り長野駅ホーム変わりまして4番線14時9分。
暗証番号のご確認をお願いいたします。
ありがとうございます。 last time I was here, it was Mount Fuji was completely shrouded in clouds. Also last time, it did not take 3 hours. This time I left Shinjuku Station at 12:30, and it is now 4:08, but I mean, I've probably been here for a good 25 minutes already, so a good 3 hours. It also depends on how well you time the JR line changes. If you arrive at a station and you immediately know which train to board, you can instantly, like, even if it's just across the platform, you can get off, know that that's the next train you need to get on, just cross right over, get on the next train. You also have to make sure you catch the rapid trains if they're available. And the Chuo line up to Takao, if I'm not mistaken, is a rapid line. After you change and get off the Chuo line at Takao Station, you have to get on another train, which is not rapid, but it has very few stops anyway. That is the blue line. I can't remember the name of that one, but it's the one that takes you from Takao to Otsuki? Yeah, Otsuki. So Shinjuku to Takao, and then you change on the Chuo line. It's the same line, but the train suddenly changes, so you have to get off and get on at Takao for the other rapid to get to Otsuki. And then after you get off at Otsuki, that's when you don't actually leave the JR station through the JR toll. Instead, you get on for the Fujisan Limited, which is what brings you here to Fuji Yoshida. You can keep going. To get here, it's 980 yen, which is about $9.50 US. But then that really nice train that I was on is the Limited Express, which I don't think was here or was running when I was here back in 2016. It could be for various reasons. I've noticed English is a lot more prevalent in Tokyo, but this is also all for preparation for the 2020 Olympics, which of course may not be happening because of the coronavirus, COVID-19. That definitely, I would remember being on a train that nice. That definitely was not the option last time. It was a pretty typical train. I think it was pretty nice, but it wasn't that nice. It also didn't cost an extra 400 yen, which is about $4, a little less than $4. For all of my Americans that are watching, and the Canadians, Singaporeans, which all basically the money is about the same. Like $1 US is about the same as $1 Canadian dollar, which is about the same as $1 Singapore dollar. The Japanese yen is also about the same. But instead of calling it like pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, half dollars, dollars, in Japan it's just simply yen. So 1 yen, 1 penny, 10 yen, 1 dime, 25 yen, or 25 cents, 100 yen, 100 cents, or $1. So the conversion is pretty straightforward. But the yen is usually just a little bit less. So I think the last time I checked, I could be wrong, but 100 yen is the same as about like 92 cents, 93 cents, something like that. But it's so close, it's so minuscule that it's easier just to, when you see like 100 yen shop, it's basically a dollar store. So the difference is so minuscule that it's better just to put a decimal point in there. So if you see 1,000 yen, just put a decimal point in and put it 2 decimal points over, so it's $10. You're always going to be over a little bit. It's not actually $10, it'd be closer to like probably like $9.50. But in my opinion, especially when you're traveling and you're on a budget, it's always better to overestimate how much you're spending, obviously. So at the end of the day, you have a little bit more left over than you were planning. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording. I think more people are coming. I'm gonna see if I can set up the camera here to shoot like a 10-minute video of just Mount Fuji. I'm still not sure where I'm gonna set it up at, but all right, catch you later. Obrigado, gozaimasu.
川崎方面行きの電車が参ります。Train from 川崎方面でarrive. Please wait behind the yellow sign. まもなく川崎方面行きの電車が参ります。危ないですから黄色い線の内側。
次は吉池温泉前、吉池温泉。折り返し18時。
嫌じゃないよ。今日誰か。でも知らねえのちょっとなんか。大阪で山手線また線電車を運転します。お願いします。本日に限りまして19時34分とさせていただきます。明日までご乗車のままお待ちください。お下がりください。
ご注意ください。
お金を追加してください。お金を追加してください。券とお金をお取りください。
いらっしゃいませ。